Welcome to Exploring Atlanta, the ultimate guide to Atlanta's rich history, diverse culture, and must-see attractions. In today's episode, we explore Consignment Furniture Depot, one of the city's top upscale shopping destinations for furniture, home decor, fine jewelry, and more. Before we dive into the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as it helps us bring you more videos like this. Whether you're interested in reselling pre-owned merchandise or interested in a unique shopping experience for high-quality, reasonable-priced home and specialty items, Consignment Furniture Depot is a must-visit outlet. This expansive 12,000 square feet shop is located at 5461 Peachtree Road in Chamblee, Georgia, just 13 miles northeast of downtown Atlanta. It features Atlanta's largest selection of all consignment merchandise under one roof, which includes an assortment of gently used, brand-name furniture, rugs, art, mirrors, gifts, greeting cards, handbags, jewelry, striking chandeliers, and other collectibles. Inventory is partially featured on its website. Victoria and Mark Shutter are owners of Consignment Furniture Depot, which was started in March 2008. The pivotal decision to venture into the consignment business came when Victoria found herself at a crossroads while working as an executive selling televisions at Mitsubishi. Being transferred across the country further and further west was at odds with her career aspirations. Consequently, she made the decision to leave the company, move back to Atlanta from Texas, and start the business. Inventory began arriving quickly, and within 3 years the showroom was expanded by purchasing the space next door. And the rest is history. The staff at Consignment Furniture Depot is friendly and accommodating while providing excellent service. The hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. until 6 p.m., Saturday from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m., Sunday from 12:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Come along for a tour of the amazing inventory on the showroom floor. We hope you find the information insightful and enjoyable in so much as we enjoy presenting it to you. May I remind you to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Click the all notifications bell so that you receive an alert each time we upload a new video. Now, let's go exploring.
Bye.